The world is changing faster than ever. And the biggest shift of our lifetime isn't social or political, it's financial. We're witnessing the birth of a new system, one that doesn't rely on banks or borders, but on code, cryptography, and community. For decades, banks printed, lent, and profited, while people stayed dependent. But now, everything's changing. Blockchain and digital currencies are shifting power from institutions to individuals. The middlemen are being replaced by math, and math doesn't lie. The new economy runs on blockchain, a transparent digital ledger that never sleeps. It records every transaction, visible to anyone, anywhere. It's borderless, permissionless, trustless. The foundation of a global financial revolution. Now, artificial intelligence is merging with finance. Algorithms analyze markets in real time. AI learns your habits, predicts trends, and helps you grow your wealth faster. Together, AI plus blockchain, smart money, efficient, fair, and unstoppable. This goes beyond crypto coins. The next phase is tokenization, turning real-world assets into digital tokens. Real estate, gold, art, even music royalties can be bought and sold instantly, fraction by fraction. You'll soon be able to own a piece of anything, from anywhere. Governments are entering the arena with central bank digital currencies or CBDCs. Digital versions of the US dollar, euro, yuan, and peso are already in testing. These currencies promise faster payments, but raise questions about privacy and control. It's innovation with a cost, and a choice we must make carefully. Soon, all major blockchains will be connected: Solana, Base, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin, and many more. They'll form an interoperable network where assets move freely across ecosystems. That's the true power of decentralization, a unified digital economy without borders. The new system also redefines identity. You'll control your own data, credentials, and digital footprint through decentralized identity. That means more privacy, more freedom, and less dependence on corporations. It's not just a new economy, it's a new kind of sovereignty. This revolution belongs to the people: creators, developers, dreamers. Every new protocol, every transaction, every project builds the foundation of the next financial world. For the first time in history, ordinary people can participate and profit like the elite. Whether you're ready or not, the new financial system is already here. It's decentralized, it's digital, and it's changing everything. The only question is, are you part of it or watching from the sidelines? This video is brought to you by MISO Verse, not just a meme coin. It's a movement. Visit misoverse.us to learn more. And buy Link Media, taking your brand to the next level. Visit linkmedia.us. As a disclaimer, this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.